Howdy. Welcome back to another episode. Hello, new subscribers. We're back with a box truck build, van life build, or I don't know how you call it. Just building a little tiny house. Today, we're gonna rip all this off. I'm gonna do different insulation. Let's go for it. More insulation. So just a foam insulation. This is what we're gonna cut, and then we're gonna put it right up on the ceiling. And it's not that easy because it's not very flexible, so I need to cut really correct sizes, and it's gonna take some time. This is slide for the roll-up doors, so I'm gonna cut out this piece to put back this bar, and then I can hang back my rum doors so I don't need to hold them when they go down. You will see. You want to take that cable?
Cable.
Cable, that's right. And and that's how you just with two things. One, you screw it again. Another one, and that's how you build the tension on the spring. It's working. I can do it with one hand. One little job done again, see? A little update on this wall. that part was terrible because it was all leftovers, so I kind of tried to stick all them together, but they don't want to stick together, so I need to be a little bit creative. But it should be alright. It's pretty thick, pretty thick. I think even thicker than this, and this is already R16. And then now I will do these parts with all the leftovers as well. Another side. Alrighty, another little project is done. Sealed, barrier tape is on. All these things, where's the light cables, I'm gonna insulate them, I don't know with what yet. I'm gonna keep them open for the moment and see and think what to do about them. Still we have left this gap to insulate with the foam. It's like a T shape. But yeah, it looks really pretty and really messy. Okay.
We're all insulated up.
Yeah.
Kind of. Mostly. We've had a productive few days.
Yep. Alrighty, awkward. See you in the next one.
Oh my gosh.
Right.
Awkward.
Pretty.
I fake it. Oh, the box.